For breakfast.
Pay me.
She liked you. You got
Well, how much is yours?
$6, $5. That's good. That's plenty.
You're the one that went over there to get. You're the one that deserved the free one.
All right, get the airplane, please.
Thank you. Right, here they come. No problem.
Well, he's got a camper hooked on her. Yeah, since you're flying. Little fire looks cool.
I got him on video.
Watch his poop drop. Is he going to headbutt the front when you land?
The wind is a factor today, y'all.
Got 25 on it.
I'll bring it back by.
Leather helmet.
I'm trying to get it trimmed in a little bit. It's going up bad. You can see the wingtips. Yeah, I'm going to bring it back by. Just getting enough altitude where I can glide it in.
It's going to be pushing you.
I'll be in the wind.
Yeah,
Oh, Lord. Power, power, power! Oh, Lord, have mercy. The wind's rough on this. This is not exactly driving good.
Barry's first time flying, so I'd say it is. Cockpit's full of crap, too. That's right. Going
Oh boy, it's all you can do to handle this thing.
You're flying in a 40-mile-an-hour wind.
I'm gonna take him up. Well, it's fighting to pull it, ain't it? Acts like it weighs a ton. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it keeps it from pushing it around. I think that 25 doesn't eat that old cheap battery. Oh Lord, I didn't see that going on. Yeah, it's dead. It's dead. Yeah. That's a handful, man. That's what it is. That bear's slowing it down. The Care Bear glider. I lost my canopy, so I had to put a driver in there.